Google 8 series coming on October 4th, but Google cannot stop leaking. This has to be the crazy leak all of the time, and this is the first complete look at the full design, the Google Pixel 8 Pro. First up, we have all three colors, the Google Pixel 8 Pro, blue, black and white model. Look at the full new design. There are as the NFC chipset on the back. Then we have a temperature sensor, then LED flashlight, then the rear facing camera, which is the Samsung base sensor GN2 sensor, and the rear facing camera we also have a microphone, and there also have a ultra wide sensor. Finally, the 5x telephoto lens on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now let's move on the side. The similar of the volume button and the power button. Then we see on the left hand side we have a SIM card tray. On the top there are another microphone and also the 5G antenna coverage. From the bottom we also have a secondary speaker and also microphone and the USB Type-C. Finally, reveal the front side of the Google 8 Pro, and as you can see that there have a different wallpaper in the different colors. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. So this is the Google Pixel 8 Pro specification, and this is not a leak. Everything direct come from the Google. So this is all about our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.